Okay, so now that we have gone through the chemical sedimentary rocks, we're now going to talk about detrital sedimentary rocks. Now, a detrital sedimentary rock is one that is composed of rock fragments from previous rocks rather than minerals that have been dissolved chemically and then precipitated out of solution. Examples of these are here, right? So we have this kind of large, crumbly looking thing, we have this sort of layered looking thing, then we have this very dark, massive looking thing. Now, detrital rocks are broken up into categories based on the amount of energy they were deposited under. What I mean by that is that most of this material, when it's transported, is transported by water. There are different types of energy that water has, right? What's an example of a high energy water environment?
Waterfalls.
Waterfall, right? That's as high as you can get almost, right? What's one that's a little less than that you can take water, that you can take things?
Rivers.
Rivers, right? Like a whitewater river. What's one that's a really low energy environment?
Rain.
Sorry?
Rain.
Rain? No, I'm talking about a fluvial environment that would be out in the land somewhere.
Streams.
Stream, what's less than stream?
Ponds.
Pond, right? A lake would be like the lowest because that's the stillest water you can get. So these were deposited in different energy environments. What I'd like you guys to do, and what I'd like you guys to do at home, is to arrange these in order of energy environments in which they were deposited, with the highest energy being on the right and the lowest energy being on the left. And when you guys are done, we're going to look at it and see if you guys are right. You guys do the same thing at home, and maybe you'll be right as well.